Now we're gonna open the Trolls World Tour Hairdorables. There's a limited edition mystery. 10 surprises inside. And Mrs. Trolley, there's something inside. There's mystery squishes all around. Okay, let's start. I forgot my knife. I'm more useful. But wow. Sound. There's only one piece. It only has one. There's only one piece. Hi, we got this open now. She looks nice. Let's see what's in here. It's her glassy. Oh. And sticker. Sheep. Sunny glasses, sunny glasses. They never fit inside me. These glasses look nice. Okay. Troll sticker. And a hair crown. That is purple, blue, and pink. Wow. It is something super nice. Troll sticker again. What's that? What's that? What's that? And here there's somebody troll. Funny troll. And a guitar that has a ring on the top. I can put a ring. Na na na. Yeah, ring. Guitar ring. Just kidding about that. Yeah. Okay. See her final look? She looks cool with a boots and jacket and that jacket. And she, see? Look, I can put a ring. It looks nice. Ooh, wow. I like this. Bye. Bye. And see. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Jana's channel.